What began as a nice rebound after the breach of that 18K mark yesterday only saw some follow-through buying coming in. So what looked like a quiet start got a little wobbly in the first half of today's trading session. And then towards close, we managed to close in at the session highs. A comfortable close of 200 points up in the green for the Nifty futures. We've managed to shut shop at that 18,350 mark. It was a bigger victory actually for the broader end of the market, which has gotten fairly beaten down all through last week. And today you had a big strong revival coming in, wherein you closed with 158 F&O names standing to the greens, with just about 25 names standing to the declines. Whether this is just a dead cat bounce or is the worst behind us, that only time will tell. But today was a strong bounce back nonetheless for the broader end of the market and the high beta pockets, which have been very, very beaten down off late. Let's talk about the sectoral flavor, because barring telecom, which has a minuscule weightage, you had most sectors actually hold out in the green. The lead coming in from automobile, wherein Tata Motors actually was the biggest price performer within the Nifty names, a 6% traction on the futures. Banks as well held out good, capital goods, cement saw price action of nearly about 3%, not just India Cement, which has been doing well off late, but Ramco Cement reacted to its strong numbers, and that stock shot up nearly about 8% as well on the futures. Chemicals, FMCG, infrastructure, media, metals, real estate, power, pharma, oil and gas, technology, they were all holding up very, very smartly. So let's take it from the top and let's first talk about the news movers. Remember, gold prices are back above $1,800 to an ounce, and that augured very well for gold financiers like Manappuram as well as Muthoot Finance. Not just that, lots of earnings reactions. So Ramco Cement, like I said, came out with a good set of numbers. Stock shot up 8%. Coforge reacted to its numbers, although the stock was lower. Indus Towers, CSB Bank, these are all earnings reaction and above estimate numbers, mind you. Tech Mahindra, though, came with an inline set of numbers, but given the market's tilt towards IT, this stock saw a fair amount of gap up move and managed to hold on to its gains. Colgate Palmolive, HDFC AMC were the other inline set of numbers. Below estimate numbers, though, for Kansai Nerolac, and that's pretty much in line with what we heard from Asian Paints as well, wherein clearly the raw material cost inflation weighed down on their numbers as well. CEAT and SRF were the other ones which saw some weakness coming in. The DOT has amended the ULA for AGR, and that put Bharti as well as Idea 2 in the spotlight. That said, the big newsmaker today was also Zee, given that Zee has now won the court verdict to bar Invesco from calling an EGM, and the Bombay High Court has granted an injunction to Zee in appeal to not call EGM. And Zee reacted to that news very positively, saw a big 5.5% uptick coming in the intraday session when that verdict came out. That said, are we out of the woods? Like I said earlier, that only time will tell. But today was a meaningful comeback from the broader end of the market, and that really is a relief sign. Although they were heavyweights like ICICI Bank, the big movers from yesterday, they took a bit of a pause today. Tata Steel, SBI Life, JSW, Titan, Asian Paints, Nestle, Tata Consumer, UPL, they all saw some meaningful comeback and a meaningful rebound coming in.